Before you spend $300 on DaVinci Resolve Studio, I've got some info for you. I edited on the free version for 6 months or so, and at no point did I hit a ceiling. Now, here's what nobody actually tells you. Do you need Studio, or is free actually enough? For most creators watching this, free is enough for sure. Now let me explain why, and I'm actually going to tell you the honest limits as well. There's a couple. So what does free actually give you? Well, it gives you a full cut and edit page, which is everything you need to chop a video together. You can do all your cuts, your pacing, move things around so that you can build your story. It gives you the color page. Now, this is where Resolve is world class. Professional colorists use this, and it's free. You can do anything and everything that a professional colorist can do in the free version. You also get the Fairlight audio page, which gives you basic mixing and cleanup, enough for a talking head setup for sure. Quick note, it doesn't mean it can completely fix bad audio. Even the studio version can't do that. Audio is a big deal, and getting yourself a decent mic is always your best bet. The Deliver page is going to give you H.264 and H.265 export, which is everything you need for a YouTube upload file. It gives you different file sizes and different quality of video. If you're just getting started, that's really all you're going to need, but you also have a couple other features. Once you learn it can speed up your editing. There's also the Fusion page, which is massive for VFX, and learning that is a fairly steep learning curve, but it's there in the free version, giving you unlimited possibilities. Now think about it, guys, with everything I just gave you, that's not a stripped down version. That's a full editing suite. Blackmagic is almost way too generous with this. Now, what is it that Studio actually adds? There's a few things. Multi-user collaboration. Basically, if you're working with a remote editor or a colorist. Huge if you're creating a film or working with other people. But if you're just starting and making YouTube videos, this isn't something you need yet. There's also some AI-powered tools. Magic Mask, advanced noise reduction, object removal. A lot of these can speed up your editing, and if I had to say in my opinion, they'd be the only features that I would actually consider buying Studio for. You can't be quiet. The stairs do little creaks and then they go. It's all good. Love you. Studio can also give you, on some systems, hardware accelerated encoding and decoding. Again, not something that someone getting started in YouTube is going to need. Really, Studio is built for, post-production houses and professional colorists working in teams. It's basically giving you tools to work faster, collaborate with others to be able to work together, some fancier VFX and different things that can help add some polish to your videos. And most of you, you're not ready for that. And that's not an insult, it's just the truth. Now here's the part I want to be honest about. There is some limits to the free version. Some of the advanced AI tools, like the deeper noise reduction, are Studio only. On older machines, some hardware acceleration might be capped. One good rule of thumb is to make sure your computer has 32 gigabytes of RAM. And Apple Silicon, even an M1, can run Resolve pretty well. You'll know when you need to upgrade. It'll be pretty obvious. Right now, you're not there, and that's fine. Honestly, I'm not there. I have Studio, but I don't need it to make the videos I make. Now, by the way, if you haven't grabbed my free Resolve template, link's in the description. It sets up your whole project in one click. Works on both the free and the Studio version. No cost, no excuses. One click and you're halfway there. So who should actually pay for Studio? Again, collaborating remotely, colorists and editors, it might be worth it. Commercial work or high-level VFX, yeah, absolutely, go for it. Time poor creator making YouTube videos? Not yet. If you're watching this channel, you almost definitely haven't hit that wall yet. And honestly, that's a good thing. It means you keep $300 in your pocket. Remember, in the 6 months that I used the free version, I would cut, color, export, and I never hit a wall. Even though I use Studio now, my videos still look like this. So when a Studio feature makes sense for you, I'll make a video about it. That's what this channel's for. Right? Bottom line, free is enough to start, grow, and make great looking videos. Don't let the Studio question be the reason you don't begin. Resolve is one of the most generous pieces of software out there. Use it. And if you want to see exactly how I created my free template, the video is right here. Say hi to DaVinci for me. I'll see you in the next one.